Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts stock. This one is actually up today by 0.1%. We're going to be speaking about this. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions and all of the levels that I'm looking for into the next couple of days. If it sounds like a good video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, as always, remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now the first thing I want to note here is the fact that I'm impressed by the fact that we are holding onto and above the 250 range that we saw just yesterday. This could indicate some strength, especially to the upside, and it could indicate that we are potentially having seen a bottom around this 1250 range that we did briefly touch. At the same time, we do appear to be having initial resistance breaking above numbers such as 1420 and beyond. These levels that we've seen these briefly as previous levels of support actually, and now they appear to be working as a resistance. At the same time, with the downtrend slowing today overall, this could be a moment to watch out for. We're looking for possible supports maybe around the lows that we've seen today, and of course tested back on. These could be around the 1355 range, somewhere in that area. Now again, levels to retest tomorrow if we are to move upwards. I'm looking around, as I say, $14, $14.15, $14.20, potentially on from there to numbers such as $15, maybe then $15.20, $15.25, $15.40. Again, this would be an interesting move to the upside, but time will tell whether it actually does happen. But those are the key numbers that I'm looking for. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions in the comments. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.